Good morning, children. Welcome back. Today onwards, we are going to start your number work classes of class 6. The name of the chapter, as you can see here, I have written here, Knowing Our Numbers. So the first part of the chapter is very familiar to you, which you have already studied in your class 5, that is Indian System of Numeration and International System of Numeration. So let us go through it quickly. Since today is the first day, let us revise the first part. Indian System of Numeration. Do you remember this table, children? Yes, we have seen this table, no children? Just see here. I have here periods and I have here place. You know that periods, ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Right? You know that if I read from my right side, how do you read it? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crores. Till last year we have done till crores. This year we are going to add on extra, that is 10 crores. Okay. This is called as place values. And the first row, that is crores, lakhs and thousands, are called as periods. Okay. So let us solve these problems and get revised with the previously learned things. Okay. Now children, you can see a number here. Yes, this number we are going to write in Indian system of numeration. If you remember children, in the Indian system of numeration, commas are put from behind 3 places, then 2 places and 2 places. Yes or no? Yes. So let's do it. So what is the first step? First step is you will write a number by putting gaps. Okay, write a number by putting gaps. Now I am going to write step 1. What you will do? You will write here the period. So it is 1, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Now comma will come from behind first 3 places. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then 1, 2. Okay. Then again 1, 2. Yes, this is how we put commas in Indian system. From behind 3 places, then 2 places, then 2 places. Now how do we write the number name of this? Children, when we write the number name, if you remember, we write it from our left side, right? So how do I name it? 7. You know that numbers together in commas are read together, right? So it will be 7 crore, yes, 39 lakh, 64,512. Yes, this part we have already studied, just a revision class, right? Yes or no? 7 crore, 39 lakh, 64,512. Okay, now let us do the next one. Next one, again, first thing is you write the number 1, leave gap and write, okay, 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 9. Here also first step is you write the periods. So it is ones, tens, hundreds, yes, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. When you put commas from behind after 3 places, commas from right side and after 3 places, then 2 places, right? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now how do you read the number in crores place? 1, 1. How do you read it as? Yes, 11 crore. Then in lakhs you have 3, 4. So it is 34 lakh. Yes, then you have 5, 6 together. Put it in comma. So how it is? 56,709. How do you read it? 709. Do you remember this? Yes. 11 crore, 34 lakh, 56,709. Okay. Again, third problem. Again write the number. Question as it is 96743150 ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. Again from right side put commas, 3 places first. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yes, so how do I name it, children? Yes, when you are naming it, you have to name it from left side. So how it is? 96. 96 means 96. Now it is in the crores position. So it will be 96 crore. Then 7 and 4 is together. So how do you read it as? 74 lakh. Okay, then you have 3-1. 3-1 is read as 31,000. 31,000. 500. Yes, 502. Is it clear, children? 96 crore, 74 lakh, 31,502. Okay, children. Last year you had studied till crores. This year you are studying till 10 crores. Okay, just look here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores and 10 crores. Okay, children. So, watch this video. Look at the place value chart. Then you will be able to solve the problems. Okay. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.